Hold me close and hold me fast. The magic spell you cast. This is love and roses. When you kiss me, heaven sighs. And though I close my eyes, I see love and roses. When you press me into your heart, I'm in a world apart, a world where roses bloom. And when you speak, angels sing from above. Every day your world seems to turn into love song. Give your heart and soul to me, and life will always be loving on a rose.
Hold me closer, hold me fast. This magic spell you cast.